Hi Chinkers! Happy Wednesday! Kamusta ang lahat? At sa kabila ng pagiging unpredictable ng weather ngayon, minsan na araw, minsan na ulan, I hope na ang bawat araw natin ay magsilbing katagumpayan. At sa bawat araw na pinagkakaloob sa atin ng ating Panginoon, let's all win every single day and bring back to Him all the glory. And to start up everything, syempre hindi mawawala sa aking routine ang pagbe-bake. At ito nga palang ginagawa ko ay ang pa-order ko last weekend. And I'm very much grateful sa lahat ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking small business. I've been baking for almost 13 years and who would have known na dito ako dadali ni Lord. Tunay nga na when you take delight in the Lord, He will give you your heart's desires. Kaya ikaw, magtiwala ka lang. Ano man ang request or hiling mo mula sa Kanya, tunay ngang ipagkakaloob niya yan in His own perfect timing. And to wrap it up, ito na ang mga nagawa nating cakes nung last weekend. Gumawa din nga pala ako ng carrot cake dahil may special request ako ng customized cake para sa isang client. At ito yung kauna-unahang Harry Potter theme cake na nagawa ko. And I'm very much happy sa kinalabasan nito. And last September 1, pumunta nga pala kami nito sa Kabog-Kabog. And I'm with my partner, pumunta kami doon just to unwind and to relax. Ito talaga yung go-to place namin every time na we want to chill and have fun with nature. Sobrang ganda talaga dito at ang view sobrang the best. At syempre, hindi mawawala sa aming trip ang food trip. And this past weekend, may nag-rent sa resort at ito kakatapos lang namin ayusin at linisin ang paligid. And to wrap up this vlog, pumunta kami ng aking partner last Sunday sa Limay. At dahil nakakapagod tong weekend na ito, kaya naman we make sure na aking partner na makapag-relax. And instantly nawala yung pagod ko dahil sa shawarmang to, grabe ang sarap. And we also had pizza. And this sums up everything for this episode of my vlog. And by the way, let me thank you for spending your time in watching this vlog. And as a reminder, Chinkers, always choose to be happy. No matter what life throws in us, choose joy. And with that, keep on winning, Chinkers!